The city's Soma neighborhood, a group of residents has been raising the alarm for weeks. They can't sleep because of random honking between Waymo's autonomous cars in a parking lot during the overnight hours. Now today, officials with Waymo agreed to join a live stream with the neighbors to explain the honking. ABC 7 News reporter Luz Pena is here now with the latest from that meeting. Hi, Luz.
Hi, Emma. This is the latest chapter in a very San Francisco story. First, Waymo issued a statement about what was happening. Then they deployed 2 changes to their software that stopped the honking for a while. They even bought the residents ice cream to try and make things right. And today, they spoke directly to that community. After multiple sleepless nights, San Francisco resident Sophia Tang took matters into her own hands. It started with posting a video and live stream of Waymo vehicles honking at each other at 4 a.m. in the parking lot directly below her building. Help. Videos of the consistent honking went viral, and many like Sophia kept documenting it.
2 a.m. or 5 a.m. or so is the cars would come back, I guess, or go to charge, and they would get congested in the lot and start honking.
As the noise kept increasing, so did the views and attention to this issue, so much so that Waymo noticed.
I didn't really expect anything to come from it, but clearly something has.
Waymo agreed to explain to Sophia, her neighbors, and everyone else invested in this why their vehicles were acting this way, all via the same live stream that brought attention to it online.
I'm also taking questions from people on Reddit. My neighbors have greatly contributed to this entire effort.
With hundreds watching, Waymo's director of product and operations explained why this happened.
We came up with this feature to honk and get the attention of other road users. And obviously you can see how that makes sense on public roads. Where we didn't, where it had this unintended effect was in these parking lots.
UC Berkeley AV researcher Steve Schladover provides technical advice to the DMV on their work overseeing AV activity.
We should expect the technology is still in its childhood. It's gradually maturing. It's not yet fully mature, and it will be improving over the years.
Emily Chang lives on the other side of the building, so the noise hasn't kept her up, but she was proud of how her neighbors have come together for change.
It's very much in the spirit of San Francisco. I've lived here for 20 years, so whenever there's something, people kind of take it upon themselves to figure out a solution.
Waymo said they're focused on safety, and as the technology advances, we'll love to have a feature that identifies other Waymo vehicles, but it's just not there yet. As to the noise, Sophia said there was no honking last night. Luz Pena, ABC 7 News.